From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with a dry throat and stuffy nose, wondering if there's a way to make your home feel cozier and more comfortable? The Honeywell Designer Series Cool Mist Humidifier is here to change that. This amazing device is not only super quiet, but it's also incredibly easy to set up and use, making it a top-rated choice among many. With its cool mist comfort and adjustable mist output, you'll be sleeping like a baby in no time, and the improved fan ensures a smoother and quieter operation, so you won't even notice it's on. One of the things that sets this humidifier apart is its aromatherapy feature, which allows you to add a few drops of your favorite essential oils to the tray, filling your room with a soothing and calming scent. The 1.25-gallon tank is also easy to fill and clean, thanks to its wide opening, and the tank light makes it easy to monitor the water level, even in the dark. Many people have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a popular choice for those looking to improve their indoor air quality and overall comfort. Using a humidifier can make a huge difference in how you feel, especially during dry winter months or when you're sick, and the Honeywell Designer Series Cool Mist Humidifier is perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, and living rooms. It's great for people of all ages, from babies to adults, and can help relieve dry skin, nasal congestion, and other health issues. With its ability to keep humidity levels between 40 to 60%, you'll feel like you're breathing easier and sleeping better, and the ultrasonic technology ensures a consistent mist output that's both soothing and effective. Overall, the Honeywell Designer Series Cool Mist Humidifier is a game-changer for anyone looking to improve their indoor comfort, and with its easy setup, super comfy design, and top-rated performance, it's no wonder it is always. Links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.